Hey, foodies! Today, we're making a tasty blue pancake recipe topped with a black cherry jam or yogurt. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons milk powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 cup water, 1 egg, oil, vanilla essence and blue food coloring. Start by mixing the dry ingredients in a bowl. In another bowl, combine wet ingredients with the blue food coloring, then blend egg and vanilla essence into it. Instead of vanilla essence, you can also add blueberry or cherry essence if available. Next, combine both mixtures and stir until smooth. Now comes the fun part: cooking your pancakes. Once ready, top your pancake stack with black cherry jam or black cherry yogurt for a sweet treat. You can also spread jam or cream between the layers. Thanks for joining me in this culinary adventure. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty tutorials. Happy cooking!